Hi everyone, so we're here in the Maldives. We're at Reethi Faru Resort, about to take you on a tour inside this water villa behind me. And before we do, tell you a little bit about the resort. So this is a bio-luxury resort. They're very high on sort of conservation. They do a lot to look after the lagoon and the marine life. And it's been a really natural kind of island to be on. There's lots of lizards running around and that kind of thing. So without further ado, we'll take you inside to show you inside of this water villa. Take you straight through, you can have a look inside, but we'll come back in to show you the inside later on. Lots of nice wood, there's a coffee area there. The room runs straight through, big double doors straight out to this. So here we are down on the Sundeck. There's kind of two Sundecks here. This is the lower one, there's a higher one there. We're in one of the very best spots to see the lagoon. As you can see behind me, perfect white beach over there. As this island is all about sort of ecology and conservation, the island is very much how it was naturally. So you can see palm trees, there's an unbroken line of sand that runs around the island, and there's no need for sea defences, which you do have in other Maldives resorts. So we really loved it here. It feels like you're living that proper kind of island life. So this is the Sundeck. There's some steps down there into the sea to go swimming. We'll probably be getting like some water sports going on later on, some paddle boards. This is the Sundeck that we're standing on here, which is very nice as well, the view. We'll just take you on a quick look around inside now. So here's the main bedroom, so lovely big double bed. There's seating areas both sides. Behind here is like an office area to do bits and bobs of work, if you like. We'll be doing some editing, that kind of thing. And there's lots of like natural wood material used throughout. So I'll let you go through into the bathrooms, check out the bath and the different showers, and I'll come follow you in. You've just had a closer look there at the outdoor-indoor shower. So you're standing where the shower actually is, and it's open air there. Here there's an indoor shower, also a bath, and a large basin area. The resort, it's kind of sticking to the resort's vibe. It's the cups they use are all kind of nice stoneware, sort of ceramic-y, and then you get your own shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, that sort of thing. So that's it for the bathroom. We'll take you and finish up outside the front now. So as you can see behind me is the whole jetty full of other water villas. So they peel off either side all the way up to the top, and we were in one of those lovely suites at the end yesterday, which are absolutely amazing with huge views across the lagoon. So again, we'll show you one last view here of this perfect white beach and that amazing turquoise water. So thanks for watching, and hope you join us next time on our next tour of the Maldives.